Hello, my dear friends. Now I will use and I will make configuration VPC module. I will show you how to create with help of Terraform VPC into the AWS cloud. Okay. I created already main.df file, versions.df file. I make configuration Terraform block. We have required versions, required providers, AWS source versions. Okay, it's not difficult to make this configuration. Okay, you can write like this, and I will just copy paste from public module. It's VPC module, as you see, right? It's VPC. You can search from here. You can search anything. I will use latest code, latest module, and I will copy this. I will paste here into the main.df file. And what else? We can make little bit here configuration. Name, we can use this name. CIDR, we can use this CIDR, but I will use here not EU West one. I will use EU Central one, right? Central one. EU, you can change anything here. EU Central 1B, and I will, for you, I will delete third row, third column here. No need, and no need this as well. Okay. I will delete this, enable a VPN gateway as well, and let's use single NAT gateway true. Okay, tag it, we can use it, and it is. I am now in Terraform folder, but I should go to the VPC folder. By the way, I can use output, but now I will run this command without output. It's not problem. Let's use first of all Terraform init, right? Terraform init command, and let's wait a little. Let's wait a little. Now I will pause this video and I will resume it. Okay. So guys, it's completed. Let's now run Terraform FMT. It's good for Terraform format. Let's now run Terraform validate. It's good to run before Terraform plan for validation. Terraform code validation. Now run Terraform plan. Terraform plan, and after that we will run Terraform apply. Okay, 19 plan add to 19. We have here VPC, we have subnet. It's subnet 10.0.100 we have my availability zone here. It's tags. What we have else? Private subnet. We have row table, public row table, and then we have here elastic IP for NAT gateway, right? We specify here NAT gateway. It is a network access list and ingress egress and default row table. Okay, let's run apply. Terraform apply. What it is? Security group response API value for parameter available zone is invalid. Okay, what is it invalid? Sorry. Let's run apply again. Terraform apply. We are waiting here. VPC NAT Gateway. It needs a little time. So we can see already created Terraform TF state file and Terraform log HCL file. Okay, it is used. Yes. I should wait a little. We already have May VPC here. Let's see again. It's resource map. We are waiting here. Already created everything. We have default route table, public route table for these subnets and these subnets, and private route table, right? And it should be assigned to this. It's NAT gateway for public subnet, for a private subnet. Sorry. It's completed already. Let's see. Refresh. Let's refresh, and let's refresh from here as well. Wait, let's start from here. Resource map. already assigned here. Good. What we have here, we have this VPC subnets, we have this subnet, it's public subnet, it's public subnet as well, it's private, and it's not gateway. As you see, it is internet gateway. Yes, correct, internet gateway. So everything completed, everything good. Well, we will see, we can see from here subnets. It is private subnet, this is public subnet, and it is as well. So let's see NAT gateway here. It is not gateway. Enough. It's elastic IP, and it's ready to delete everything, right? It's network access list, inbound, outbound, and let's delete, destroy, Terraform, destroy, okay. Will be deleting 19 resource. Okay, delete. We can see here, we can see from VPC. So very easy to use public module, right? We have version and we have main.tf file. We should wait a little as well. It's completed. Good. So yes, it is. Goodbye, my dear friends.